Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Lauren, and today we will not be making a sweet confection. We are going to be making a nice, sweet, easy to drink cocktail. I'll be showing you how to make a blueberry lemon drop martini using our delicious lemon drop martini mix. This is super easy to use, packed with real fruit and naturally sweetened. I will also be using our natural agave nectar clear to add a bit more sweetness to it, so it kind of overpowers that tartness of the lemon. So let's get to shaking up this cocktail. So all we're going to do is take our cocktail shaker and dump in some blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. These are frozen. I have about 9 blueberries here. Dump those in, and I'm going to do 1 pump of our agave nectar. So now I'm just going to muddle this in. So pulverize those blueberries, and it makes a really beautiful color. This drink is like delicious to drink and looks beautiful as well. So after we're done muddling the blueberries, we're going to add in our martini mix. I'm just going to be using 1/2 ounce because we want to have enough of the blueberry flavor and enough of the lemon drop flavor, but we don't want to overpower it on either of them. Next, we'll be adding in some vodka, any vodka of your choice. I'm going to be doing 1.5 ounces of vodka. Lastly, we have some Grand Marnier here. It's an orange liqueur. You can use any orange liqueur. This is just what I had on hand. It is also one of my favorites. So we're just going to be using 1/2 ounce. Add a nice sweet orange citrus flavor to our drink. I think this pairs really well with the lemon. Now, we're just gonna add some ice and shake it up. Add a generous amount of ice here. Pop the lid on, make sure it's on there nice and tight because you don't want to have a cocktail explosion. It's not fun. Shake it up. All right, nice, shaken, cold. We're gonna set this aside for right now and garnish our glass. I have a little bit of lemon juice right here. We're just going to gently coat the rim of our glass in here. And then this is just granulated sugar. And if you don't have any lemons on hand, you can use limes, you can use some agave, water. You can even just use straight water. I want to add a little extra lemony goodness to our glass. So because we muddled some blueberries in here, we are going to double strain this. The blueberries tend to kind of break up a little bit when you muddle them, and if I just strained it into the glass, you're probably going to see some leftover blueberry skin pieces, and we don't want that. So just double strain. I love a good martini. You can never go wrong. It's a perfect drink to kick back, relax on a nice spring day, go outside. And now I'm just going to garnish this with some blueberries. So I have a skewer right here. Put them on. Be very careful when you pick up your glass too, because martinis tend to overflow easily. I had so much experience with that. I worked in a bar. The first bar I worked in, they served so many martinis, and I remember being just so nervous that my table ordered 5 martinis, and I literally had to like little tiny step by step carry them over on the tray, trying not to topple them all over the place or spill half of it out. All right. There we go. Here it is, a blueberry lemon drop martini. Cheers. Delicious. This is so good. This literally just screams springtime. The weather's getting nice. I could see myself just sitting outside, reading a good book, sipping on this martini, and just enjoying the nice weather that we have. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you enjoyed seeing how you can use our flavor of the month in a little bit of a new and interesting way. If you give it a try, please let us know in the comments below what you think of the recipe. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any new tips, tricks, and recipes. You can also find us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Twitter. See you next time.